power of documentary filming cannot be understated. They educate us, inspire change, preserve history, raise awareness on social issues, and offer different global perspectives. And they can capture the essence of real-life individuals, like Fred Rogers in Won't You Be My Neighbor. Won't You Be My Neighbor elicits an emotional response, not just because it has a nostalgic impact on those of us who saw Mr. Rogers growing up, but because it shines a light on someone with a moral compass who shares his values and makes the world a better place. It's truly inspiring to celebrate a leader who actually leads with empathy, kindness, and acceptance. He always provided a safe space for children. A true strength of a great documentary is it humanizes our hero, Fred Rogers, and we see that he has doubts, struggles, and challenges like we all do. It gives us hope that we can overcome our adversity. This film highlights Fred Rogers' courage in addressing social issues in a subtle way to empower children to deal with struggles in their life with compassion, empathy, and a moral compass. This documentary gives us an inside look at how Fred Rogers responded to societal changes and what he did to actually stay relevant to the community. A great strength of the documentary film is that you can pull from archival footage and incorporate interviews from people who knew the subject to really get a sense of who this person was. Overall, Won't You Be My Neighbor exemplifies the effectiveness of documentary filmmaker. It offers an honest portrayal of a real-life person, and it doesn't do it with flashy techniques or special effects. It inspires reflection on the importance of compassion and understanding in children's programming. Michael Moore's Bowling for Columbine explores the causes and consequences of Columbine's high school massacre. With his investigative approach, he asks questions, and he inspires dialogue to help address a controversial issue of gun control in this country. Davis Guggenheim's The Inconvenient Truth, narrated by former Vice President Al Gore, brought climate change to the forefront of public discourse. It's still a highly debatable issue today. Kiss the Ground, directed by Joshua and Rebecca Tickle, offers an inside look at regenerative farming and how it can be used to combat climate change. It offers expert testimonials and a call to action for us. We're empowered to know that we can do something to make a difference. And there is hope if we realize the way we're farming today is not sustainable, so we do have to make those changes. Errol Morris's The Fog of War gives us insight on the events of the Vietnam War. We actually get to hear from former U.S. Secretary of State Robert McNamara, who shares what the decision-making process was like during those very tough times. And then there's James Marsh's unforgettable documentary, Man on Wire. It chronicles the real-life incident. A man crosses the World Trade Center in New York on a tightrope back in 1974. The charismatic storytelling and the archival footage contribute to making this one a long-standing classic. May you be an investigative journalist in your life, always asking questions, seeking answers, and exploring new topics in your life so you can continue to grow and be your best. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know your favorite documentary. I love you.